So we're in near basically Halstead in Essex. A garden we just finished a few weeks ago, and we're just popping back doing a few things and seeing the client, making sure that they're happy with the garden. I designed this garden on an angle. It gives us far more interesting spaces to play around. So we put all the patios at an angle, and I'm going to take you around the garden so you can see that. We've got lots of planting. The main concept of this garden was we wanted to bring nature into the garden. Lots of butterflies, lots of birds, they live right next to a forest. So all that environment coming in, things like dragonflies, whilst we've been building this garden, dragonflies have been in and out of this garden. So we've got lots of planting, lots of stuff that bees and butterflies will like, some nice grasses as well. Honeysuckle will go up and over this beautiful arch which they already had. We've made a hibernation pit under there, which has a load of basically rocks and rubble in there, covered with soil with a little bit of wildflower seed over the top, and there's a little pipe entrance, so things like newts and frogs can go in there, and they're nice and dry, secure, dark, damp, can hibernate over winter or basically, reproduce in there. We've reclaimed some old wood from the forest to give a little bit of sculptural effect. Nice rotten wood obviously creates environments for bugs and stuff, but actually architecturally looks really great. We got lighting casting up on those in the evening, they look lovely. Client loves bird feeders, watches birds all the time, so there's various bird feeders around. We've got a natural pond, there's no irrigation, it's just very much for a natural feel. Hopefully lots of frogs and newts start to populate it. We've got a few little hidey spots. We're probably going to get a few more in. We wanted it to go under this wooden deck, so she could sit in the summer, dangle her feet in, also just sit here and watch things like there's a pond skater spinning around here, and watch whatever other wildlife enters this sort of area. Got some nice ferns in the back, which are going to grow up. Nice passion flower here, which is going to start spreading across here. We put a screen in with star jasmine, so beautiful jasmine smell is going to percolate through here during the summer. And then we've got a bug box. We made this all in one sort of unit. There's different environments for the bugs. They can sit and watch flies in and out on the deck. We've got various old bits of wood here, various little habitats for things to lock down, basically creates spaces for more bugs. This was reclaimed, it's a family heirloom, so it was sort of reclaimed and again there's sort of a little bit of pride and place in the garden. The ferns are going to grow up in this area. I suspect we'll have a few mushrooms coming off and other fungi off these things. Creates, just more environments for bugs. This border gets a nice bit of sun, so we've got plenty of sun-loving plants. We've got some lavender, so really bee friendly. Eucanthia, echinacea, anemones in the back. All things that bees, butterflies, and stuff really gonna love that environment. And a nice little tree there. We've also got one of our final patios. We call this the sun terrace. The purpose of this is we've got these screens on. These screens open up, so they can sit here in the evening and look out into the woods. There's often muskrat deer go through here, so they can watch what wildlife happens in the woods by opening these up, closing them down. Love these. Something different. We'll definitely use them again. And then finally, a bit more planting. Geraniums here, will free flower. Yet again, bees will love it. nice phormium here which will grow up, give a bit of a nice spectacular point, focal point. This is a lovely garden to build. It's nice to get back to some natural stone, some natural wood, plenty of planting, about wildlife, promoting wildlife by someone who's a real wildlife lover of their garden. So the client's absolutely delighted. Okay, see you next time.